within some minutes I am going to brief about the types of glasses and its use in the construction. What is glass? Glass is an inorganic solid material that is usually found in transparent or translucent form. Sometimes glass can be found in opaque form also. Basically, glass is a hard and brittle material. It is manufactured by fusion process. In this fusion process, sand is allowed to fuse with lime, soda and other admixtures as well. Then the mixture of all of these is cooled as quickly as possible. This cooled substance is known as glass. Now, some engineering property of glass are there like transparency, strength, workability, transmittance, U value and recycle property. What is transparency property? Transparency is the main property of the glass which allows vision of the outside wall through it. Transparency can be from both sides or from one side also. When it is from one side, the other side will act as a mirror. Now, the strength of glass, it depends on the modulus of rupture of glass. In general, glass is a brittle material, but by adding some admixtures and laminates, it can be made strong also. Workability, a glass can be made or molded in any shape and it can also be blown through melting. Next one is transmittance, the visible fraction of light which is passed through glass is the property of visible transmittance. Next one is U value of glass. U value represents the amount of heat that is transferred through glass. A glass is said to be insulated if it shall have lower U value. Next one is recycle property. Any glass can be recycled 100% and it can be used as a raw material in the construction industries. Now, what are the types of glass used in construction? Different types of glass used in construction are float glass, shatterproof glass, laminated glass, extra clean or self cleaning glass, chromatic glass, tinted glass, toughened glass, patterned glass, wire glass, glass block, glass wool and insulated glaze units. Now, what is a float glass? Float glass, also known as soda lime glass, it is manufactured from sodium silicate by controlled cooling float glass. It has got a superior quality of optic clarity. Float glass is available in various thickness ranging from 2 mm to 20 mm. It is used for the window glass and other public glasses also. Next one is shatterproof glass. Shatterproof glass resists shattering and breaking down into small edged pieces when it is destroyed. The formation of sharp edged pieces of glass in shatterproof is due to the addition of polyvinyl butyrate during the process of manufacturing. Shatterproof glass is used also for window glass, floors and skylight. Next one is laminated glass. Laminated glass is sandwiched glass consisting of 2 or more layers of glass combined using a transparent and flexible material. Laminated glass is soundproof basically. It is usually thicker and heavier as compared to the other type of glass. Laminated glass is widely used for making aquariums and in the construction of bridges. Now, extra clean glass and self cleaning glass. Extra clean glass, which is also known as self cleaning glass. This type of glass is properly used due to its unique properties photocatalyst. This means the glass contains a kind of nanoparticles which attacks and remove the dirt particles through which it can be cleaned very easily. The next one is chromatic glass. Chromatic glass has unique properties to control the daylight and transparency. Unique properties means photochromatic, thermochromatic and electrochromatic. Photochromatic, in which this light is visible, and thermochromatic, which the temperature and heat can be measured. And in the electrochromatic glass, the transparency can be controlled by electric switch. Next one is tinted glass. Tinted glass, also known as colored glass, which is manufactured by adding some additives in the mixture while manufacturing glass without compromising the properties of the glass. This tinted glass is used for the aesthetic view of the building and architectural view of the building. Next one is patterned glass. This is a type of flat glass actually that has been rolled into one side during its production. Pattern glass has different pattern as well as different colors. It is mainly used for decorative purposes. Now, next one is toughened glass. Toughened glass is also known as safety or tempered glass. It is a specially processed glass which is manufactured while keeping in mind the strength and its ability to resist breaking. This type of glass is very tough and does not break easily. Even if it breaks into small pieces so that it cannot cause any harm to anybody. Toughened glass is mostly seen in kitchen and shower screen etc. Next one is white glass. White glass is a special type of glass in which wire mesh is placed in between the structure of the glass during the process. It is widely used for workshop, garages etc. Next one is glass blocks. Glass blocks actually known as glass bricks, sometimes a glass block of glass manufactured by combining two halves pressed and annealed during melting process of glass. This type of glass block is cheaply used to improve the aesthetic appearance of a structure. Next one is glass wool. Glass wool is a insulated material basically made out of flexible glass fibers intertwined with each other. It is used as a filler in buildings. Glass wool helps heat insulation and is used as a soundproofing material. Next one is insulated glaze units. Insulated glass is another modern type of glass made out of combining 2 or 3 layers of glass. These layers of glass are separated by air or vacuums, which helps to resist heat coming through the glass. It acts as an insulator. Insulated glaze units are also known as double glazed units. Thank you all.